Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Boke and I am an MBA in Finance and I got recently placed at Nomura, all thanks to this certification course by Magic Institute of Excellence. The certification covered different topics in investment banking, financial modeling and hedge funds, and also an industry readiness program which helped the students at placements. Also, I am deeply appreciative of the efforts the Magic Institute of Excellence and the team has put to create such an comprehensive and interesting curriculum for the students. And also, I would like to extend my gratitude to the different faculties of the institute, Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir, for shaping up my professional journey, and also all the other faculties who are at par with the industry standards and who possessed variety of knowledge in finance. And also a special thanks to Nikita ma'am and Aisha ma'am for being a constant support during our interviews and placements. And if anyone wants to upskill themselves in financial knowledge and skills, I would highly recommend this course by Magic Institute of Excellence. Thank you.